passion when it comes to gin is very much about discovering new flavours, putting flavours together, and, you know, as a woman, we very much have different olfactory senses to men, so they say. You know, for me, it's very much all about the senses. It's about the smell, the taste, the experience when you drink gin. So our single vineyard gins are the gins that are 100% made with our Shiraz-based spirit. And when we talk about our single vineyard gins, the difference is that eau de vie really adds additional viscosity, additional texture, additional smoothness, and the eau de vie almost adds another element of botanical unto itself, in that the flavour of the eau de vie is an extra flavour component of the gin, which isn't there if you were using a more neutral-based spirit.
So with our primary wine base that comes in, we go through a two distillation process to extract our eau de vie. The first distillation is where we produce the low wines, and it's one pass and takes out all the alcohols from the wine. The second pass is a much more finer and detailed pass where we extract the ethanol portion that we use for our gin products.
On the second distillation, as you're going through the heads, the hearts, the seconds and the tails, it's the distiller's job to nose, to taste, and to make the decision when to make that cut and when to distinguish between each of those fractions through the distillation process. And it's very much based on intuition, mixed also with, you know, the technical measurements that you take, and also ultimately what you want the end eau de vie to really taste like, what flavour components you want in that end product that then feeds into the gin and the finished product in the bottle.
So we've got a huge volume of gins that we've produced here. The initial Founders range, the Gin 10, Soft and Smooth Monsoon with the Shiraz base, which led into Cerise, which is primarily our pink gin with steeping of local grown cherries. Holly's new creations of Orient and Maritime, and then the limited releases of Genevieve, Angry Anne. It just keeps on going on. There is a gin for every occasion, and always worth looking to see what's just coming out next, because you never know when the next great thing's coming around the corner.
So yeah, I think if you're going to drink gin, then definitely support local distilleries here. You can go to their distilleries, you can meet the makers, you can find out the stories, and you can definitely learn more about distilleries through Disty and through the stories that they're telling about each of us from our own perspectives. I think that supporting local and buying local is the most important thing. If you're going to drink gin, buy local.